down here with the boy, my son, and we're gonna go fishing in a creek. You ready, Jaden? All right, so we're down at the creek.
Huh?
We got my son with me.
I saw you.
Don't worry, he's got floaties.
Huh?
You might see the back of his head,
Huh?
but it's worth it because he wants to fish. We're not doing the fall 4 lures. We're doing what we know they like out here at this creek, and that's jigs and everything purple. So we got a purple crawl and a purple jig ready. We'll start off with the purple jig. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Yeah, that's the paddle.
That is that.
Trash.
Huh?
It's trash.
It's tough.
Yeah.
Tough.
Yeah, trash.
Tough.
So we're just gonna work this jig off the bottom.
Hmm?
Jaden thinks I'm talking to him every time.
That is Mama.
Mama's sleeping, boy.
Yeah. Yeah, Mama Nana. This Ma?
Yeah.
This Ma?
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Yep. Oh, we got a fish. Oh, we got a fish. Oh, we got one. Oh, it's a good one. We got us a big bass. Jaden, we got us a fish. Look, a big fish.
Wow, this beaches.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah.
Oh, so we're just sitting here
Huh?
letting the wind take us.
They take
And my
us.
boy said he wanted us to fish his fishing pole. Well, I let him pick one rod out of the back of the truck, and he picked the spinnerbait.
I did me.
It got you.
Yeah.
Oh, buddy, look at that fish.
Huh?
It's a better one.
Dada.
That's a good 2.5, maybe. Definitely a high 2. Jaden, you like fishes?
Yeah.
You want to hold them, or do you want to let them go? Or do you want me to let them go?
Dada do.
You want to let them go?
Yeah.
Well, there's our first fish, guys. That was a big one. Is that a big one, Jay?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Dada, I got it.
Let's catch another one. You want to catch another fish?
No, I thought baby teeth.
You want to catch a baby fish?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if we can get a baby fish.
Huh?
Well, let's see if we can catch a baby fish.
Okay, Dada. Oh, baby teeth. Two baby teeth.
We got one in the boat. We're trying to catch another one. Jaden wants to touch a stick. You want to touch a stick, Jaden?
Yeah.
You silly.
Dada, I thought baby teeth.
Oh, you're going to try to touch the tree?
I thought teeth.
You're too tall.
Huh?
The tree's too tall.
Teeth.
Yeah.
Dada, I thought baby teeth.
Yeah, but he came off.
Huh?
We caught a baby fish, but he came off.
Baby teeth to us.
Yeah, he came off.
Baby teeth not to us.
But he did come off.
Huh?
He did come off.
Oh no.
Oh no, our baby fish.
I thought it. That is that.
Got one so far. Bass. You magnet fishing? You find a lot of lures out here? Oh, is this your first time? Yeah.
That is that.
I don't know, buddy.
I know.
I don't know.
That is that.
Magnet.
Not it.
Magnet.
Not it.
Oh, we're on a log. on a log.
Dada.
We're on a log, Jaden.
No. Yeah. That is socks.
Where's what?
My socks.
Your socks.
Yeah.
I don't know, where'd your socks go?
My socks in my feet.
Your socks are on your feet?
Yeah.
Where's your drink at, buddy?
Huh?
Where's your drink?
Right there.
Oh, got one, Jaden.
Huh?
We got a fish.
I got,
We got another one.
I got baby.
Oh, that's not a baby fish.
I got,
Another good one.
Dada. This big fish.
Yeah, it's a big fish.
Dada.
Oh, yeah, hold this, Jay.
Okay.
Yeah, don't reel it, don't reel it. Oh, that's a good one. Fish number 2. Creek fish.
Not eat me.
Where's the scale, Jaden? You got the scale?
Give me that tail.
Hand me that scale.
Eat that tail.
This one, it's over here. It's black. You see it?
It's back.
Yeah, no, not that one.
No.
Oh, really? Little 22 looks like, huh? Yeah, not bad. We're gonna see what he weighs. I reckon 2. This wasn't the little one he was hoping for.
Oh, he wants the little one.
These big ones flop too much for him. There he is.
There is?
Oh yeah. We'll zero the scale out. Is that 1 pound, 14 ounces, almost 2 pounds. Good little chunk. Zero it out just in case.
Almost 2.
Yeah, 1 pound, 15 ounces.
Does it look like a hot pot? Over on the bank.
Looks like a little mini fridge. So just an ounce under 2
Dad,
pounds.
behind it.
You want to hold it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can hold it. Jaden said he's not scared of this one. 2 hands, buddy.
See here.
2 hands. You got him? That's a big one.
Baby.
Haha.
Haha.
Good job, Jay. You gonna throw him in? Throw him in there. Throw him in there. Let him go home.
So
Say, go home, buddy.
the home. This is
I
that.
don't know who that is.
Nothing easy.
No, I don't know.
I know.
I don't know.
I know. You got it. You got it. You got it.
You got the leaf?
Huh?
You got a leaf?
Yeah, we got it. We got it.
Oh, we got a fish biting.
Huh?
There was a fish bite. Oh, we got him?
Huh?
Oh, we got him. We caught another big bass. This time on a jig.
I thought.
Now, like I said earlier, this rod tip is broke.
Huh?
Hold this, Jay. Hold the fishing pole. But we still were able to land a little. Man, that's a pretty fish. Oh my goodness.
Mama, Dada, had this.
But, oh, don't flop.
Huh?
Looks like another 2 pounder. Oh, what a pretty fish. He barely sucked it up. Oh, he's in there good. He wasn't going nowhere. Look at that fish, guys. That's 3 for today.
Huh?
That's 3 fish.
This.
Yeah. You gonna say bye to him?
Maltese.
Say bye-bye, fishy.
Bubble teeth.
Where you going?
Huh?
You done catching fish?
Let me down tissy.
You heard him, guys. We're done fishing. We got 3 fish for the day. We got one on the purple jig with the purple crawl with the broken tip. And then we got one, or I'm sorry, we got 2 on the old spinnerbait.
I got purple teeth. I got mine. I got Dada.
And then we caught 2 on this deal. So that rod is a lose rod. It kept pulling the line into the reel. Hold on, Jaden. Kept pulling the line into the reel, and it just created a weak spot. And our spinnerbait broke off, so that's why we started fishing the purple jig. And we caught a fish, and Jaden said he's done fishing. You done? You ready to go home? So we're gonna get out of here. We hope y'all like this one. This is just the creek right down the road from the house, actually. So it's convenient. not like it down here. I've been fishing down here for a long time. Usually bank fish it, but today we're out here on the Yak. When that last bass hit, I actually thought it was a gar because there's gar in here, and they love the purple just as much as the bass. They love the purple just as much as the bass, and it really didn't feel like a bass hit. He was real soft with it. So we're gonna call it there, guys. We hope you like it, and hit that subscribe button and keep watching those videos. You want them to keep watching? Yeah? No? What? Yes? Yeah, okay. See you later. Say bye-bye. Jaden, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say see you later.
Yeah, let's see.
We'll be back in action soon.